Happy New Year to everyone. And now they cook New Year food this evening. Make a sharp. My picking the hungry. How that day? I don't go celebrate last night. Come back. I'm going to go and celebrate. Now, first of all, let me just grind all these things. I get a canna. This fresh one, I see and buy for this abroad, and we normally use it to play in Nigeria, to use it to paint our nails that time. You know, when I was little, garlic, canna, and zenzero, I have to grind all of them. Make I grind them because I need to make a yummy stew, Christmas yummy stew. This is serious stew, eh? I be Christmas or New Year. Sorry guys, New Year yummy stew. That is what I need to cook. I am serious, and this food will be serious with me. We are not joking together. Hey. Okay, start grinding all these tomatoes, pepper, onions, fresh pepper, bell pepper, carrots. So after grinding all of them, I'm gonna boil them. Now I realize that no time to check time. I'm gonna boil all of them. Boil them very, very well. I'm using 2 onions on this stew. This is our tomatoes, onions, fresh pepper, bell pepper, garlic, what are they calling it again? Carrots, and what again? Zenzero and canna, fresh one. So I pour everything inside this pot because I want to boil them. I don't want to add more water to it. I just want to cover it and let them get boiled before I will use it. And all the water from these tomatoes are going to steam down. Steaming. Guys, I've boiled my tomatoes. You can see. I've parboiled it. Now it is time for me to start cooking stew. Okay, because already I've boiled down my milk. Steam it very well. Then let's start cooking our stew. Oh yeah. You see, the chef is back. Hey, I want to prepare New Year food for all the medals. Then my curry, my thyme, okay, and nutmeg. Yeah, I have my nutmeg here. So let me prepare for it.